Learning how to wheelie has never been this easy without the risk of going over backwards. Wheelie Dog's wheelie bar brake is the only wheelie device in the world for dirt bikes. Fits on the swing arm of any dirt bike. On the pivot bracket, you have an adjustment bolt to adjust the spring tension of your brake pedal. You also have another adjustment to the rear of the bracket. You can just pull the pin and slide the swivel wheel in and out to adjust the height of your wheelies. You also have a swivel wheel that keeps you going up, keeps you straight, doesn't throw you side to side. This wheelie device works so good you won't even know it's back there. Learning how to wheelie with Wheelie Dog's wheelie bar brake has never been this easy. On the pivot bracket, just pull the pin, hit the brake lever, pull the pin there, and it all comes off and you're ready to ride. Okay, you want to ride and practice again, just put the bracket's arms back on, put the pin back in, and you're ready to go.